Look at that door set with the old school
All right, so
number.
if I was going to do this here, it would be so Bengals, Jags, Redskins, 3-team. Got the Bengals, Jags, Redskins here. Random.org. We'll roll the dice. 6. So we're going to do 6.
6 times.
6 times. Bengals, Jags, team on the top will take it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where's the dice?
So this is the 6. So cross your fingers, hold your wieners.
Jags.
Jags take it home. All right, guys, here we go. 3-team random. We got the Bengals, Jags, and Redskins for the National Treasures. We got Joe Mixon, Dede Westbrook, and Samaje Perine for the National Treasures. 3-team random here. So we'll go roll the dice. So there's 5. So team on the top is going to take it. All right, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. The Bengals going to take it home. There's the dice on the 5, and there is the Bengals on the top. So that is going to go to the Bengals with Joe Mixon on the left side there. All right, thanks, guys.